Yes, I want some, please. Give me one, please. Can you sing Humpty Dumpty, please? Itong kaibigan ni Daddy Mike nagdala ng fake news. Good afternoon, peeps! Happy Sunday! Ang ganda ng araw today, kaya nandito kami sa labas. Wow! Go get it! Quick! Hala ka, mabot sa dalan! Suot na pala ng ating baby girl yung kanyang set na binili ng daddy niya para sa kanya. Oh, akala ko sobrang laki. Okay lang naman pala. Who is that? Who is this? Baby girl!
Mommy, I can throw away.
Did you throw it away? Wow, strong girl.
Thank you, Paris.
You're a strong girl, Paris.
Some puddles.
Yeah, there's no puddles today, anak, because it is sunny, yeah? Ang weather namin dito sa Melbourne, guys. Kahapon si Paris naglalaro sa muddy puddles kasi umuulan. Tapos ngayon, sobrang sunny na naman. Naghahanap ang ating baby girl ng paddles. Tingnan nyo. Pinuntahan niya talaga yung may paddles kagabi. Wala, nak? Wala, nak? Nag-dry na ang paddles, nak. Oh, no. Are you sad? Are you sad? Yeah. Are you sad there's no paddles?
Yes.
Oh.
No baby cuddles.
Yeah, it's okay. Maybe it's going to rain again tomorrow. It always happens, nak. No? Yesterday rained, today sunny. Maybe tomorrow is rain again.
I'm going to get cuddles.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, what's that?
Cash.
Hindi siya masyadong warm, guys. Pero wala siyang yung hangin ba? Hindi masyadong maginaw. Kaya si ate nyo ay naka-shorts. Oh, di ba? Pek-pek shorts.
Mommy, careful, Mommy.
Careful. It's okay, honey. It's the baby riding the bike. You be careful too, okay?
My mommy.
That's their mommy, yes. That's their mommy.
They catch you.
Are Paris gonna catch me?
Okay.
Okay.
They catch you. Catch.
Paris, catch me. You got me. Wow. Come. Paris. Mama will catch Paris. Careful, Nak. Nak, run slowly, Anik. Mommy catch Paris. Wait, careful, Anak. What are you doing, Paris? Lay down. Wala siya lang yung nag-lay down dyan, guys, ba? Tinan nyo ang ating Daddy Mike, oh. Gabi ka, kuhan, multitasking. Holding the iPad while typing. You okay? You okay? Mommy, help!
Up.
It's not gonna fit, Nak.
Too small.
That's too small, correct.
Hello.
What's that?
It's a postcard.
What is it?
It's a postcard.
Oh my God! Did you just say it's a postcard? Guys, pumasok kami dito sa loob kasi you won't believe it. Sunday dito ngayon sa Melbourne, guys. Pero si Mamang Postman ay nag-deliver ng something. Ayan. Dahil kasi sa lockdown namin dito sa Victoria, guys, delayed yung mga parcels. Kaya kahit siguro Sunday, ginagawa nila yung deliveries and all, ganyan. Kaya hindi ko alam kung anong laman ito, guys. I-open natin, ha. Together. Alam niyo naman sa atin nyo guys, bili ng bili online.
It's gonna.
Ah! Ayan siya guys. Anak, are you okay, anak? Ah, okay. Maganda yung pagka-ano niya. Package niya ba? Ayan. Binili ko pala yung top na to sa eBay. From Ralph Lauren. Ayan. Pero hindi talaga from the website, guys. Yung may private ba? Binibenta niya. Ayan. Ah, that's cute na. Mura lang yung pagkabili ko nito, guys. As you can see, tingnan nyo, may tag pa siya. At ang sabi dito, $129. Ganyan. Hi, anak. Did you go outside?
That's okay.
Daddy's okay. Sobrang cute talaga ni Paris, guys. Kasi narinig niya yung daddy na parang nagsigaw ba sa labas. Tapos lumabas talaga siya. Tapos chinek niya. Narinig ko. Sabi niya, are you okay, daddy? Is daddy okay na? Na? Sobrang sweet talaga ni Paris. So yun na nga, guys. As mentioned, yung presyo nito ay $129. Just for this, guys. Just for this. Isa lang pala to siya. Pero parang doble ang kanyang sa loob. Ayan. Pero, guess what? Guess kung magkano lang yung binayad ni ate nyo. Alam nyo naman si ate nyo, guys. Very wise pagdating sa mga online shopping na ganyan. Okay, so this one, nanalo ako sa auction, guys. Kasi naka-auction to. So, nag-bid ako. And the price that I've paid for this was $15.50 plus the postage, which is the $8.95. So, all in all, for this, yung binayaran ko, guys, is only $24.45. No? So, basically, $25, guys, for the top na originally $129. Oh, diba? Kaya mahilig ako sa online shopping, guys, sa mga ganyan. Kasi, some people, katulad ko kasi, yung mga bagay na hindi ko na ginagamit, binibenta ko. I sell it for cheap price, and yun yung ginagawa ng ibang mga tao din, guys. Kaya, ayan. Hala, parang 17. Parang, 16 lang ako nito, guys, pag sinuot ko to. Nagustuhan ko kasi yung kulay, guys. Peach and white. Meron pa siyang yan. Oh, diba? Nakaupo na ang aking baby girl, guys, sa kanyang trono.
It's a friend.
Yes, it's spring! We're gonna go for a walk to the shops, guys, kasi sayang yung araw ba. What's that? What's wrong? What happened? Oh, here you go. Tell Tita and Tito what you're eating, ba?
Hiking.
What are you eating?
Gummy bear.
Gummy bear.
Yellow.
It's now 3 o'clock ng hapon, guys. And ang ating baby girl ay, I think, sleepy na. Sleepy na ikaw na? Maglalakad-lakad kami papuntang shops. Kasi sobrang ganda ng araw. So, diba kahapon na-mention ko din na kailangan kong bumili ng milk and bread. Kasi hindi nakabili si Daddy Mike kahapon ng umaga. Kaya yun yung gagawin namin ngayon, guys. Habang maganda yung araw, take the advantage ba. Tapos mamaya, pag gising pa si Paris, pauwi na kami. Then we'll stop at the park para maglaro. Hindi kaya ako giginawin ito ngayon, guys. Parang confident ako na nag-shorts lang sobrang ganda kasi ng araw. Tingnan, guys. Tingnan nyo ang ating skies. Oh, very blue. Nabiktima pala ako ng fake news kanina, guys. Earlier kasi, naglinis ako ng bahay. Si Daddy Mike pumunta nga ng garage. Doon siya nanood ng kanyang UFC fight. Pumasok si Daddy Mike, tapos sabi ni Daddy Mike na good news daw kasi open na daw yung mga shops bukas. Oh my God, kasi yung premiere namin dito sa Victoria, meron siyang announcement kanina ba. Pero, guys, guess what? Sobrang happy ko, guys. Hinag ko talaga si Daddy Mike kasi very happy talaga. Hindi about sa open na yung shops. Ibig sabihin lang ba na, so remember my hairdresser appointment, guys. guys. Diba sa 1st of October yun? At akala ko na mangyayari na yun talaga. Pero binasa ko yung website guys. Hindi pala. Itong kaibigan ni Daddy Mike nagdala ng fake news. Na-excite tuloy ako. Hindi pala guys. Akala ko talaga makakalaya na kami sa aming pagkakulong. Grabe, sobrang tagal na namin naka-lockdown dito sa Melbourne guys. Oo, nilift nila yung restrictions from first step to second step na ngayon. Ibig sabihin wala na yung curfew. Pwede nang magkita-kita yung dalawang household lang ha. Kaya na-excite ako bigla guys kasi akala ko na pwede na naming bisitahin yung lola at lolo ni Mike. Pero pala, dalawang household can meet up to 5 people. Pero within 5 kilometers lang naman pala. Kaya still, it's no use for us guys kasi yung mga kapamilya at kapuso namin ay nakatira way over 5 kilometers away from us. Kaya wala rin. Anyways, I'm just very happy na merong improvement sa amin dito guys. Someone is very happy. Pupunta na kami ng park guys. Tingnan nyo ang aming manabili oh. Tingnan nyo ang bata oh, nagbit-bit ng malaking pan. What's wrong? That bread is yummy. Can you give some to mommy?
No.
No?
No.
No?
Go
I don't want it. I don't. Come on now, Yala. You want to go to the park or not?
Yeah.
Go with Daddy, go.
Turn around.
Good girl. Sabi ni Paris, ride the horsey. Ginawang horsey ang kanyang daddy.
Mom,
Daddy?
small baby. Daddy?
Are you gonna play at the park?
Yes.
Yes. Are you sleepy?
No.
Are you sleeping?
No, Mom, make the time wake up.
Oh my God. Tingnan niya si Paris.
Sunny day.
Sobrang cute sa likod ng kanyang
No
tatay.
puddles.
No paddles today, honey. Because it's not raining. Maraming tao ngayon sa park ba? Sure.
Paris?
Huh? What's that?
Ang kanyang mukha.
Yeah.
Here, Mom.
The horsey?
Oh, Paris Nicole. Ooh.
Go down the big slide. Come on,
Come
the
on.
big boy's coming. Go, 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 go.
Go, Paris.
Whoa!
It's your turn. Careful, di anak.
Watch out.
Baby, just try.
You watch what you're doing.
Baby, just try.
Yeah, you can.
Is it very funny, Paris?
See big boy?
Come on na. Come on na.
Go fast.
Climb na.
Get up the top.
Careful. It's Paris' turn.
You can do it.
Good job.
Paris' turn. Go on.
The big one? Careful.
1, 2, 3.
Ready? Go.
Whoa!
Strong girl. Yes, a small one. Hala, no, like that, anak.
Sit down.
Sit down, yes, sit down properly. Maugsok na yung ulo.
Hey! Bye-bye, little pig.
Sumama ng kanyang daddy doon.
Daddy will
Come
go
on,
down
daddy.
now.
Lala, lala.
Can we go?
Tires ni ka. Mara mag-check kurik, oh.
Wow!
Daddy do it. Daddy do it. Okay. Daddy do it. Okay. Daddy, your turn.
Cars. Seesaw. 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 See. You gotta move out the way. Cars. See? Oh, big skinny. Come sit with daddy.
Nak, sit down with daddy na.
Sit with daddy. Come.
Gusto niya siya yung magtulak. Ako, si daddy, gid niyo mo ang nalingaw, nak.
Sit with daddy. Sit with daddy. Come.
Ayaw ko talaga sa laruan na to, guys. Kasi remember yesterday, ito yun din yung dahilan kung bakit nahihilo pa rin ako kahit gabi na.
1, 2, 3.
Wow!
Oh! Oh! Cars!
I'll just quickly show you yung mga napamili namin sa shops, guys. Yung sa amin lang talaga sana ay maglakad-lakad. But, kasi maganda yung araw. Pero kasi mas maganda yung may parang direction ka ba? Yung may dulo yung ginagawa mo. Kaya sabi ko, pupunta na lang kami ng shops. Hindi lang yung paikot-ikot ka lang. Maganda yung meron kang destinasyon. Oh, diba? Langga. Kaya, tapos yung sabi ko, yung kailangan lang talaga namin dito ay yung milk tsaka yung bread. Pero every time na pumupunta kami ng shops, we always end up buying more. Kaya, ito yung binili namin, guys. Say hi sa daddy.
Huh?
What are you after? So, ito yung milk. Ayan yung ating milk. And then, bumili ako ng Yakult again. But this time, yung binili ko, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Ayan. Pinainom ko na kay Par sa park kanina yung isa. And bumili kami ng itong bread. Ala, nakuni na. I love wholemeal bread. That's it. And then, bumili ako ng, nalaya naman ni, oy. Pichay, ayan, kasi bumili din ako ng chicken frame. Asa na ba yan? Ito. Sasabawin natin, guys. Pagatas ba ni ate? Ayan. So, yung mga buto-buto ng manok. Ayan. Tapos, yeah. Sabawin natin. Lagyan natin ng Knorr cubes. Ay, daog na. And then, I've got banana muffin. And popcorn. Ayan. Oh, mag-movie marathon kami ni Daddy Mike. Meron kaming popcorn. Parang sa sinihan lang. And then, of course, hindi mawawala ang ating, ayan. This is for me, guys. Ang aking mukha pala, guys, ba? I feel like, ewan ko, parang, binabanat siya ng ganun ba, guys? Oh, dahil sa beauty derm. Oh my God. Pero, I'm liking it so far naman, guys. Mukhang, meron naman siyang, meron naman siyang effect na konti for, na ngayon, 5 or 6 day ko na yata ngayon na paggamit. Nagpipil na siya. It's 6:35 ng gabi, and ang ating baby girl ay nandito. Say hi sa, be! Say hi sa, lagi! Mommy will open this one. What is this? You like this one? Yeah! Tars has been a good girl. Look at me! Look at me! Nak, did you have a good nap, Nak?
This is my shop.
Huh?
This is my shop.
Did you go to the shop?
Yes. That is open. That is closed.
Huh?
That is closed.
That's closed. It's open now. Ang ating flower is so beautiful.
That is closed. That is open.
Oh, okay. This one is open. This one? closed. How about the other one?
Close.
Closed too? I think it's open now, knock. Like that. Oh, yeah, it's closed, but you did I knock. Very cute, guys, no? I really love it.
Close, daddy, close.
Which one's closed? Wait.
Daddy, close.
Oh, okay. Don't touch anak. Don't touch anak.
I'm touching Paris.
Yeah, no touching Paris.
Not touching the flowers.
That's right. What's the color of the flowers now?
It's red.
Is it red? How about that one, the top one?
It's yellow.
It's yellow. Great job,
Mama,
Sai.
eat this.
Nakalimutan ni Mama. Open. There you go. What do you say to Mommy?
Please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Say thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, mommy.
Kiss daw yun. Kiss daw yun. Ay, shush! Maingay siya, guys, kasi ang aming heater ay naka-on. Maginaw na kasi. Tingnan niyo, guys, hindi pa ako nakabili ng pot para talaga dito. Yung ginamit ko, itong pot ng kabilang, bulaklak, kaya sobrang hindi niya size talaga. But if ever man na makita ko sa sa Facebook Marketplace, bilhin natin, guys, para maganda na siya tingnan. Tingnan niyo. An excuse na ang ating mga guys, mga damit na kailangang tupiin. Tutupiin natin yan ngayon. Ini-start ko na pala pero hindi pa siya natapos. Anak, saan na ang ating ay, this one too, guys. I'm very, very excited. Tingnan niyo. Ang ating flower. Ay, flower. Flower. Plant de ay. Hala, tingnan niyo, oh. Yung bagong dahon niya ba? Yan, ito rin siya. Yung isa. Dalawang bagong dahon. Hala, magmumukhang forest na talaga tayo dito soon. What's wrong? What happened? Hmm? Fell down? Oh no, na fell down.
Tiny pizza. Some?
Yes, I want some, please. Give me one, please. Can you sing Humpty Dumpty, please? All the king's horses and all the king's men. Good job! It's late now, guys, and we are feeling lazy tonight, so hindi kami nagluto. And ito yung binili ni Daddy Mike sa Uber Eats. Vietnamese na is this bonboy, Daddy? Yeah. So this is mine for dinner, guys, and then meron tayong mga dito, mga healthy stuff. And then while we're having dinner, kausap ko pala ang aking family. Oh, tingnan niyo. Nag-video call kami and I think bumibili sila ng isda.
Wait, may isda, hey!
Kain muna kami, guys. Bon appetit! That's Daddy's. Oh, guys, sobrang ganda talaga ng bulaklak na to ba? Hi guys, it's now 9 o'clock at nandito pa rin kami sa aming sala. Hindi pa kami natulog, guys, obvious. Ang ating baby girl, oh. Anak, auntie anak, panuhuton. Si Daddy Mike nanonood ng kanyang show sa Netflix. And, yeah, isi-share ko pala sa inyo yung ating positive quote of the day, guys. Buti na lang na remember ko kasi nakakalimutan ko na kapag gabi na. But this is it. Ayan. It says, the universe is always conspiring for me. By the way, guys, iyan na natin yung video dito. I'm very sleepy na. Tingnan nyo ang aking mata, oh. Kailangan ko nang lagyan ng toothpick pa para it will keep open. Monday na naman bukas. Work na naman si ate at si kuya nyo. At ang baby Paris natin ay nandito, oh. Matutulog na to siya very soon ba? What is that?
That's not nails.
Muse? What's Muse?
Nails.
Huh?
Sip?
No.
Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat, guys, sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating channel, sa always na panonood ng ating mga videos, at ito ay nagdididididi na. You sleepy, Nana? Hang on, we'll just do a quick shout out, ha? Shout out to India Filipinos family, Cherry Salazar, Joyron Cruz Mendo Amora, Loida Blanco. Shout out to Lisan Bansil from Lubao, Pampanga. Shout out to Gina Sangila, Christine Santos, and also shout out daw kay JP, MG, KC, Christine Santos family. Shout out to 4J Apolinario, Rosemary La Rosa, Nenita Del Rosario. Shout out to Trinidad Oscoro, Maria Victoria Pangan, Vicky Inot, Helen Putong, Shen Manimog, and Gemaline Javier. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoy. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thumbs up sana. Thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. We hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye.